Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn and I am working on EdPuzzle with my group for our micro lesson. The two things that I want to show you today in this very quick tutorial are how to view student progress and how to grade questions. So I have a 2.9 photosynthesis lesson that I gave my students. This is what EdPuzzle looks like when you open it up and you have classes assigned. I would click on my progress button, and once the class loads, I would be able to see this is how many questions I have left to grade. When I click on that button, it gives me the student names, it gives me a review of what the question is. I can see all of the responses by question rather than by student, and I can very quickly go through and grade these. So why do we see leaves as green? Green light is being reflected off. Notice what happens. I hit the green button. The next student automatically bumps up to the top of the list, so there's no need to actually have to scroll down as you are grading the questions. As soon as you do that, it automatically updates the grades on this screen. I haven't graded these questions yet, so it looks like my students did poorly. Maybe they did, but I don't know that yet. And so once I've finished grading my questions, I'll be able to see red shows students that really struggled with the assignment, yellow is kind of a warning, and students that did really well, the color will change to green, showing they did a pretty good job. The next thing that I want to show you is the in-classroom view, which will show the student name, whether they watched the video, and what questions they got wrong, so where they struggled with this piece. The other thing that would happen here is if a student watched a portion of the video repeatedly, that would light up under the watched menu, but these students didn't do that, so you're not seeing that. Notice the difference between the in-classroom view where we are now and the homework view where we started. And then over here we have a student view, which is where we are now, and then we can also click the question view, which will allow us to see how well students performed with the specific questions, and this is looking at the class as a whole, which is a nice feature. That ends my tutorial for today, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me online. Thanks.